In this video, you will see how to delete a page in LibreOffice Writer. It's very easy. First, click on this multiple page view option and then reduce the zoom so you will be able to see the blank pages that you want to delete. After viewing the pages side by side, you need to click here on the toggle formatting marks option. After clicking on it, you will see these blue icons. This blue icons means you have multiple blank spaces, and to delete them you just have to click on the last blue icon and then select the icons using a mouse or a keyboard and press backspace button on your keyboard to delete the pages. Now as you can see, one page is still remaining because here there is a blank space, and to remove that, press backspace button again on your keyboard and this will delete the page. Now to remove these blue icons, formatting marks icons, you just have to click back on the icon button here and the formatting marks will be gone. Now you can click on the single page view and then zoom to get the normal page view. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about LibreOffice Writer quickly. See you again in the next one.